Uy, magandang umaga sa inyo. Dito naman tayo. Yung video natin kanina. So, Tuesday, August 6.
I've been passing time, watching trains go by. All of my life, lying on the sand, watching seabirds fly, wishing there would be someone waiting home for me. Something's telling me it might be you. It's telling me it might be you. All of my life, looking back as lovers go walking past. All of my life, wondering how they met and what makes it last. If I found the place, would I recognize the face?
Tingin niyo po, papakita ko sa inyo.
Telling me it might
Maganda.
be you. Yeah, it's telling me it might be you. So many quiet walks to take, so many dreams to wake,
Wala palagi kayong activities ng mga
with so
susunod
much love.
ganun na rin sa Facebook. Follow nyo na rin sa like nyo na palagi sa activities sa susunod nyo.
I think we're gonna need some time.
Maraming salamat sa mga subscriber.
Maybe all we need
Alam sa
is
inyo,
time.
nandito na ulit tayo sa video natin ito. Paalam sa inyo.
It's telling me it might
Bye-bye.
be you.
Lord Damiel Vlog. Bye-bye.
All of my life.